Today we will talk about refraction of light and laws of refraction. What is refraction of light? When light travels in the same homogeneous medium. Suppose light travels in this medium. This homogeneous medium is air. You can say it is rarer medium. So it travels along a straight path like this. Okay. However, when it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another, here we have one medium, air, it is rarer medium, then glass is denser than air. So when it passes from one transparent medium to another, the direction of its path changes at the interface here of the two media. This is called refraction of light. Now, what is refraction? The phenomena of change in the path of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another is called refraction of light. So, the path along which the light travels in the first medium is called incident ray, and then in the second medium is called refracted ray. The angle which the incident ray and refracted ray make with the normal at the surface of separation are called the angle of incidence. Here, the angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between refracted ray and normal is called the angle of refraction, R. You can say it is R. So now the angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between refracted ray and normal is called angle of refraction. Now what are the laws of refraction? And what is the observation we get here? We observed that when a ray of light passes from an optically rarer medium to a denser medium, here light passes from air to glass, it bends towards the normal. So angle I is more than angle R. And when light passes from denser to rarer medium, we can say it bends away from the normal. A ray of light traveling along the normal like this, undeflected, and angle I and angle R will be equal to 0 degree, and this one is our normal. Now what are the laws of refraction of light? Okay, let me see. Laws of refraction of light. The phenomena of refraction of light obeys the following two laws. First law, the incident ray, this one is incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media. Here one is air, rarer, glass, denser. At the point of incidence, all lies in the same plane. What is the first law? The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lies in the same plane. You can say incident ray, normal, and refracted rays lies in the same plane at the point of interface. Now, to the interface at the point of incidence. Okay. And the second law is the ratio of, because here I is not equal to R. In case when we goes air to glass, I is not equal to R. In case we goes glass to air, I is not equal to R. Only a ray of light traveling along the normal passes undeflected, and I and R is equal to 0 degree. So the second law says the ratio of sine of angle of incidence, this is angle of incidence I, so sine I, and the sine of angle of refraction is R here, so it is sine R, is constant for a given color and the given pair of media. What second law states? The ratio of sine of angle of incidence, sine I, and the sine of angle of refraction, sine R, is constant for a given color and the given pair of media. Means sine I upon sine R is equal to constant. And here we are saying this constant is mu, refractive index. We are saying it is a constant, and mu is called refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. Here our second medium is glass. So you can say sine I upon sine R is equal to A mu G. And the refractive index of glass with respect to air we can say here. So, and I is here angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction here. So these are the laws of refraction of light. And the second law is also known as you can say Snell's law, because it is first deducted by scientist Snell. So we can say the second law of refraction is also known as Snell's law. So these are the laws of refraction of light, and the phenomena is refraction. Thanks.